Hey guys, what's up, and it's time to do a speed test comparison between Vivo V17 Pro versus a Vivo V15 Pro. And Vivo V17 Pro comes with a quad cameras on the back, and you can see, versus a triple cameras on the Vivo V15 Pro. Both phones comes with a Snapdragon 675 processor with a 6GB RAM on the Vivo V15 Pro versus a 8GB RAM on the Vivo V17 Pro. So let's get right into it. So starting off by booting both phones up at the same time. And logo came up first, about the same on both phones, and both phones is running on Android 9 Pie. Let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And Vivo V17 Pro is faster when it comes of booting up, and Vivo V15 Pro is also right behind. And you can see very small difference between these devices. Both phones comes with a full HD Super AMOLED display with no notch, no hole, with a full view display, because both phones comes with a pop-up selfie camera, while the Vivo V17 Pro comes with a dual cameras inside the pop-up module. And the main sensor on the front is having a 32 megapixel, while the 8 megapixel ultra wide on the Vivo V17 Pro. And you can see it is a very unique feature in this phone. So everything is closed up in the background like always, and the first application is the phone dialer, and you can see that was about the same on both phones, very small difference there, launching the settings. And again that was about the same on both phones, mic lock, and you can see again that was about the same, launching the calendar. Again that was about the same, no difference whatsoever. Music, again same result on both phones. Moving on with the my files, and you can see again no difference there. Videos, same result, no difference there. Calculator, again that was about the same on both phones. And you can see, and the system based application speed is very insane on both phones. Moving on with some games applications. So first we got is the Candy Crush Saga, and little bit faster on the Vivo V17 Pro, and followed by the Vivo V15 Pro. So next game application is the Subway Surfer, and same Snapdragon 675. And you can see again Vivo V17 Pro is little bit faster there, and Vivo V15 Pro is a tiny bit slower compared to the Vivo V17 Pro. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and again little bit faster again on the Vivo V17 Pro. And you can see about half a second difference there between these devices when it comes of games opening speed. So last opening up the application that is called as the cameras, and that was about the same on both phones. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Vivo internet browser on both phones, same Wi-Fi network. So first website is the amazon.com. And again that was about the same on both phones when it comes of website loading speed. And you can see, and the scrolling is very smooth on both phones, and you can see same thing with zooming in and out, no lag whatsoever. So next website is the wikipedia.org, and it seems like Vivo V17 Pro is little bit faster there, but overall that was about the same. Again same thing with zooming in and out, no lag whatsoever, very smooth performance. So let's check out the RAM measurement on both phones. 6GB RAM versus a 8GB RAM on the new one Vivo V17 Pro. So first application is the phone dialer, no refresh. And you can see RAM measurement is very good on both phones. Calculator, and we have a lot of apps. Subway Surfer, that is also not refresh on both phones. Let's see The Temper Run 2, again no refresh. And last we are back to the internal browser where we left. And guys, you can see that the app's opening speed is about the same on both phones, but the game app loading time it is little bit faster on the Vivo V17 Pro. RAM management is incredible on these devices, not much a difference between 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM with a good optimization. And thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between Vivo V17 Pro versus a Vivo V15 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.